what were the changes you experienced in the exam pattern before and after the bifurcation of the AP?
Yeah, so basically what happened in the APPSC had a similar kind of exam pattern because it was a combined state where prelims, mains and interview was the exam pattern. Prelims for 150 marks and mains for 5 papers and interview for again 75 marks, where, you know, the total combined the mains and interview marks they used to take for qualifying. But during our court case, what happened was because the states have bifurcated into Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, immediately new boards were formed like TSPSC and APPSC, and they have declared their own syllabus. They changed the syllabus and new syllabus was declared during that time. So only thing was like before we used to prepare for the entire Andhra Pradesh, now we need to prepare for Telangana and they have to prepare for their state specific. But now if you look at the syllabus, it is again drastically changed. I can say even in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, both the states, mains is drastically changed. You know, we have another paper which completely talks about Telangana movement, which is happened in 2014. So 150 marks paper of Telangana movement is introduced in Telangana. And in Andhra Pradesh, there is a Telugu and English paper which carries 150 marks. So extra paper is added in both states. That is one. Second, before in our times, it was like, you know, only constitution we used to read for 50 marks in one of the paper. But now along with constitution, governance, ethics, sociology, law, etc. were added in both the states. So addition of subjects means it is more widened. The scope is more widened, more subjects were added, more topics were added. And what was deleted is the data interpretation, that is the math part. Math part is removed in both the states. So I think this is a little bit hitch to the math background students, because before they used to score full on full and get very good rank, but now it is removed. So theory part everybody has to rely more upon in mains. That is another. So and specific to their own states is the one more major change. Like in Telangana, we need to more stick to the Telangana only. And in the Andhra Pradesh, of course, it is combined Andhra Pradesh, but now they have like their own issues after bifurcation, what impact it has, like, the employees bifurcation impacts, those all were added. That's it. Otherwise, so addition of governance, ethics, sociology, law is one. Two is geography is added in both. Before in mains, we didn't have a geography. The only environment subject was there, but now geography is added in both states mains papers. So this is the little change, but we had similar, more or less similar kind of a syllabus in 17 when I have written. 11 and 17 more or less similar it was, but now it is totally changed in both the states. So you people have to just focus on the current syllabus what is given.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, what should be the approach to each of the subject in the TSPSC prelims?
So this is a very good question, because not only for prelims, but even in mains, because I think in TSPSC prelims, there are 13 topics mentioned, if I remember correctly. So 13 like a simple sentences with say like contemporary changes in science and technology, are simple sentences will be there, only 13 topics. So now we will get very surprised to see the questions if we look at the past questions paper, previous question papers, because we don't understand by looking at the syllabus, the each sentence, like from where we should begin until where we should read. Because science and technology contemporary changes means it starts from where, it ends where. This is a very big question. Unless if it start from, you know, basics of biology, chemistry, and physics. So these are the science basic subjects, right? So every subject in the 13 topics given, first we have to go through the basics, school level subjects, 6th to 10th NCERT or state syllabus books for understanding the fundamental concepts. And then we should read the higher level, like maybe +2 science, social, or whatever is available with us. And then we need to build upon the current affairs. So that's it. So first read the basics and then build upon the current affairs. That gives you a complete picture. This is one type of preparation when we don't have time. Second type of preparation is first read the entire syllabus of mains. For example, if you have enough time, people have started 6 months back for the preparation of these groups. So first read all the 6 subjects of mains, then you will get a clear idea of the entire concept, and then start preparing for the prelims, from the mains theory, where which bit is going to come, objective question is going to come in the prelims. So there are two strategies. One is start from the fundamentals, build upon that. Two is first read the entire main syllabus and then pick from that which question is going to appear in the mains. So because now we don't have much time, whoever have started earlier, very good, well and fine. But if you are going to start now, I suggest to read from the fundamentals and then complete the entire current affairs, connecting to the current affairs.